Zone, the Salle University online educational channel. Experience optimal online learning.
Oh, hi, I'm Ted Nugent.
Brother Gino here.
Miss Alex here.
And we are the EdTech team.
Hi, I'm Shaira.
And I'm Blessie.
Your EdTech champs ready to virtually walk you through Canvas's rich text editor.
So, Miss Shai, can you tell us what is Rich Text Content Editor in Canvas?
My pleasure. The Rich Content Editor or RCE is the component of Canvas where you type and format your text, or you may insert images and etc. It's an important feature in Canvas and is used for creating announcements, assignments, quizzes, discussions, pages, and more.
Here's a visual representation of the components of the new Rich Content Editor. Text appearing as singular letters and numbers inside square brackets such as A or 1 will refer to that label in this image. A. Sidebar. The new RCE hides the right sidebar content selector by default, giving you more editing space to work with your document. It will show as a temporary flyout menu when necessary. An example screenshot of this appears under the Options button below. You can close the flyout menu when it appears in the X in its top right corner when you are done with it. B. Menus. There are menus above the toolbar where you can find all the features available in the RCE. Previously, some options were only available by keyboard inputs or were hidden. A few lesser used features are only available in the menus and not on the toolbar, and some users prefer menus over toolbar. C. Toolbar. The buttons in the toolbar have been condensed and grouped by related functions. Click the down arrow next to the buttons to see a full list of choices, or just click on the button for the first one. D. Integrations. The buttons for Panopto and Office 365 are promoted on the top-level buttons in the new RCE. Additional integrations are available by clicking the Apps button. Click the View All to see a list of available integrations, and click on the title from the menu that pops up to select it. The new RCE may place recently used integrations in a short quick list under the Plugin button. E. Condensed toolbar. If your screen is too narrow to show the entire toolbar, Canvas will compact some of the items into a More button at the end of the toolbar. Click the More button to see the rest of them. F. Status bar. The status bar under the menu has been improved and is easier to read. Here, you can find the raw HTML editor mode, the accessibility checker, as well as keyboard shortcuts reminder, and a button to go full screen so you can focus on your content. Press the escape to exit full screen mode. The handle in the bottom right corner to resize the editing window is also now more noticeable. Options button. Once you have inserted an image or link or table and so on, click on to reveal an options button for it. Clicking on this button will open the flyout to set options for that item. These buttons can appear above or below the item depending on where it is available for the button to appear. Click the X in the top right corner of the flyout to close it. This screenshot shows the cursor pointing at the Options button for an image labeled Image Options and the flyout menu on the right. Instead of an Options button, a table has a toolbar of table editing buttons, allowing for easy access to commands such as Insert New Row below. Additional new features in RCE include Matchax and YouTube integration. Matchax is now available throughout much of Canvas, which works its conjunction, its existing latex math editor. This allows you to include math notation in places where it was previously not possible and is friendlier for accessibility. Formula input is done by latex, but Canvas will use Matchax to render it to viewers. Links to documentation for Matchax are in the documentation section below. There is now an integration for YouTube enabled in Canvas, available both in the new RCE as well as part of the modules page. In the new RCE, click on the Apps button to find it, see integrations above, and select YouTube from the menu. In the YouTube screen that appears, you can search for the video you want in your document and press Return and Enter on your keyboard. Select the desired video from your results and click Embed. You may also click the down arrow to choose a size for embedding the video player. If you already know the video you want, paste the URL in the search and it should be one of the first results. If you want to embed an unlisted video that searches at find or a video from another service, you will need to use the Embed Code button that appears as a cloud at the end of the toolbar. The new related features of Matchax and YouTube may not be active until their later rollout, but the rest of the changes and features are already available. To enable the new RCE, follow these directions and refer to the screenshot. Go to Course, click on the Settings at the end of your course navigation menu, change the Feature Options tab, click on the switch for RCE enhancements. It will be green and have a check mark if enabled. These options save automatically and there is no save button.
In summary, the Rich Text Content Editor or RCE is a component of Canvas where you can type and format your text and insert images. It's an important feature in Canvas and is used in creating announcements, quizzes, assignments, discussions, pages, and more. The Rich Content Editor includes the content area, the menu bar, and the toolbar. In the content area, you can add and preview the page content.
The new Rich Content Editor menu displays above the toolbar by default. The menu bar is primarily designed to assist users who require keyboard navigation. Additionally, the menu bar includes options that are not included in the toolbar. In the menu bar, you can use the menu options to format the page content.
The new Rich Content Editor toolbar provides quick access to the most common options used in Rich Content Editor. In the toolbar, you can format text,
Insert links, images, media, and documents.
open external tools,
Format paragraphs.
clear formatting,
Add tables.
insert an equation.
And embed media.
Feel free to reach us if you have any questions, concerns, or suggestions regarding Canvas's Rich Content Editor.
If you want to learn more about simple coding using Canvas Rich Text Editor, join our session.
This is Blessie,
And this is Shaira,
your EdTech champs,
ready to help you with the emerging technologies
for engaging online learning experiences in an online environment via Canvas.
I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, you really got me going. You got me so I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, you really got me going. You got me so I can't sleep at night.
I win the war in the battle, bro. We'll take the boat for collateral. They like to call us some animals. I know they mad that we crafted a manual. No, this ain't for weak or for hate, this for soul. Trying to retreat cause they ain't even close. See casualties cause